to invite our host governor, Governor Sakaja, to make his remarks. If I don't do that, there is a small road he's doing for me somewhere. I may jeopardize that.
Thank you so much, Speaker of the Senate, Your Excellency, the President, the Deputy, the Right Honorable Speakers, former colleagues. Your Excellency, this building fills us with a lot of nostalgia. I have been a member here, and we used to joke that when the building is done, we should call it the Mirage, because it kept moving. You know, it was a moving target that we couldn't see where to get to. But truly, this is Kenya House. Your Excellency, our constitution is clear about the place of parliament, that since all Kenyans cannot fit in one room, that we divide ourselves, if you look at Article 89, into as equal as possible constituencies to have somebody to represent us. This is Kenya House. This is where the people of Kenya, you know, actually congregate through the elected representatives. I'm very proud of the work done over the years. I want to congratulate the Commission. Honorable Kingola has forgotten to mention the work we've done together to do this entire square, you know, in 2 months, Your Excellency. If you look at the cabro, if you look at the trees, the garden. But now there's not a problem, but an opportunity that has been transferred to me. Because with the tunnel, all these people are coming to City Hall, Your Excellency. If they cannot wait for their members here, they will come, and I'll be very happy to host them at City Hall, because they can come in. Your Excellency, part of parliamentary tradition is what we call the lobby. If you go to Westminster, the space between the House of Commons and the House of Lords is what is called the lobby, and that is where the word lobbying came from, because people would come to lobby their members about a legislation or an intervention. I hope that either in this square or somewhere, we can still find a place, and even with the technology we have today, because we have Twitter, Facebook, we have email, we can find a way through which our people will still feel close to their elected representatives. Hongera for the work, Speaker. He has been on my case every 2 days, 3 days when our team has not been there because of the rains. But I'm very happy and proud of the team from the county, also led by Engineer Tirop, for the work that they've been able to do. We pray for continued partnership between ourselves and Parliament. We respect the place of Parliament in our governance structure. My entire career, I've been here longer than I've been a governor. I've been here 10 years. I've been a member of National Assembly. I've chaired committees where we've had to look for space. In fact, I'm the only member of National Assembly who's chaired senators, because I chaired the only joint committee then that had both the Senate and the National Assembly. And that time it was daunting. I want to encourage the young members. I had members like the late Otieno Kajwang, the late General Nkaiseri, members like, former Minister Obure. And there's this 28-year-old who is telling them, you're out of order. And they will tell me, come on, Kijana, what do you know? But over time, it turned into respect. I see so many young members of Parliament today. I want to encourage them. The Bible in Hebrews and in 1 Timothy, actually, 4:16 says, let no one look down upon you because you're of your age, but set an example in speech, in deed, and in the work you do as a young person. I've gone through this house, and today I'm the governor of Nairobi and proud to host Parliament. So, Hongera, let us keep cooperating. Anything that you ever require, Speaker National Assembly, Speaker Senate, you're the Speaker of the place I love the most. You know, I love coming to the Senate. It's just 1 or twice I've not been around. Today I'm with you. Today I'm here with you, and no one is asking me a question. I'm very happy. I hope this can be the tempo that we keep on with, even in subsequent visits. Let us maintain this place. Senator Mudhama yesterday spoke to me and called on me and said, this place looks now like Europe. Why can't we do this in the entire Nairobi? And I said, I'd love to do it, but ni chapa. You know, if we had those resources, I would urge senators and National Assembly members, division of revenue in Akuja. This can be replicated. We're doing the same in Lower CBD. We're doing the same on River Road, Race Course Road, Latema Road. If you go to Tomboya, it is all being constructed so that we can give our people the same dignity that the members of Parliament have here. So all the best, and you can count on us as the county government of Nairobi, and also as the governors. On behalf of the Council of Governors, Hongera for this milestone. May God bless you.